everybody. I got the coffee out. So having a little Joe in the morning. What I got here? What I got? Set up 2 meters so you guys can see this. But testing your kill switch. And this is off the to begin with, I have one kill switch here. Came out of an old remote that I had online to sell for a long time, and then one day I guess I realized, man, this thing doesn't even have a back, so it's really not worth anything. So I decided, well, let me just grab some stuff that's out of there, like the key and this kill switch, because I know they're good. So if I can ever use it, I will. It's out of a Toshiba remote. This is going to be an update on the Suzuki motor, which I have running. I got a new fuel pump kit for it, so I'm going to put a fuel pump kit on it because it's kind of running out of fuel. But one problem I was having, and was driving me crazy, was this kill switch, which I discovered was intermittent. It would seem like I wasn't getting any spark, and then I would get spark, and it was really kind of driving me crazy. So I went through everything, went through all the ignition part of it, and I just couldn't find anything wrong with it. So I finally narrowed it down to the kill switch, which I probably should have looked at right away, but it's one of those things, like a process elimination on a lot of stuff. So I got 2 meters out here. I got one set on continuity, which will give me a beep when I've got continuity. And then I got another meter that's more a modern meter, and it's set on continuity, so it'll beep when you have continuity. I mean, they're not going to show any resistance because there is none. Shouldn't be. This is, like I was saying, is a good kill switch. So I just got a couple little jumper wires that go to my meter lead. So you got your positive and your negative lead, and the way they work, basically there's ground, I guess, goes into these kill switches, and then once ground can pass, then it sends that ground back to your I don't know, you say ECM or CDI, ADI, it's all the kind of the same. It's all the same in that, it's sending ground signal back, which kills your motor. So you have these because, if you're running down the lake, anything over a 50 horsepower, really, I think anything over a 35, if you ask me. But if you were to have, I don't know, got knocked out of the boat, like you hit something or something, then your kill switch you have it, attached to you. So anyway, then it's going to pull this out. I'll try to do this. So you can see this is a good one. We got slight resistance, very slight, and we got continuity. And then, to engage the kill switch so that it's working, like you put it on, you put the thing back on, you got continuity. or you have no continuity, I'm sorry. So then I have the same thing with this, only I've got it going to my other meter. And you'll see, like this one, if we pull it off, it'll probably work now. No, it doesn't. See, it doesn't do anything. There's no but if we, this little button, see, I like these style better. It's the same thing as there's just a little interrupt switch in here. And if I, before I was kind of, yeah, hear it. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but it just barely beeps it. But get it just right, it'll. So it sort of works, but you know, we don't know why. It's just intermittent. If I stick this back on, it's not engaging this button. It's a little bitty button right here. So now it's like working, but if we do like that, it doesn't work. You know, I'll put this on. It's so I would think that even though it's not passing signal, that it worked, but on the engine for some reason wasn't getting. But this is bad. So if you, especially that one's like 150 horsepower, so so it would you know, if you had this on there and it got pulled off, it wouldn't kill the engine. So that's kind of how to check your kill switch, so that you know it's working properly. Because if it was just passing signal, then your engine would never fire. And that seemed to be what was happening with me. You know, where like this one's just. Yeah, so if you think your kill switch is giving you a problem, it's an easy way to bench test it. Now, you can do this on your motor. You just got to find where your kill switch is, usually on your remote, maybe on your dash. You just, anyway, these most people, I'd say, have these like installed in the remote, although some of them may have these installed you know, on the dash. So I just wanted to show that, because it's really not, it's not hard to figure out. Very common. Mercury has different ones. I've seen these style. I don't like these style. I think it probably, I don't know. I like this style better. These are more common. This, you'll see this like a lot. And you can go and you can get, sometimes they're different keyed. It's like sometimes they have different types of keys. Sometimes it just looks like something, like, I don't have it right here, but here's another lanyard. They'll look like a little plastic piece that goes around. Sometimes they're smaller. So I hope that helps you guys. It's fishing season. Winter's over and it's time to get on with the getting on. So thanks for watching.